Hello, today I'm going to try to pick this stabilit container lock, 43 millimeters, and here we got the key, if I can get a hold of it, so you can see the key. It's not that good of a bitting, but that's what I have, so we have to try that. I'm going to try to open this by raking and rocking, zipping, and single pin picking, bump keying, and pick guns. So let's see what we can do with this lock. Let me zoom in a little bit so you hopefully can see what I'm doing. And where is the bump key? I got it right here. Homemade. I have not tried this yet. I have only tried to rig this lock once and I succeeded. So I know this can be rigged open, but let's just try. And I know it's a bad bitting, but that cannot be right. Let's try that again. Get out there. Well, that's how easy it is to bump open. Let's try a manual pick gun, my Brocade snap gun here. That works too. Let us try my Kronos electric pick gun. Just as easy, actually easier. Alright, let's try this raking. I know I have opened it by raking it, so I know that is going to work at some point at least. There we go. Let's try rocking this one. And I have not tried anything but the raking. I think I have said that. And it must work. If the other things works that easy, this should work too. The tension I flipped up. Fuck. Come on. There. There we go. Alright, let's try to zip this open. Our kinetic attack, if that's what you want to call it. I don't know what I did there, but let's try that again. You can zip it open, and let's now go into this single pin picking. Tension on and pin 1 and pin 2, pin 3, where's pin 4? We got you right there. Pin 5, and it opened. Well, that's easy. So we can conclude this is at least not high security. I don't know where the stabilit is in a ranked list, but this is very easy to open. So that's all I have today. So thanks for watching and have a good day.